If you own a digital agency, whether that's graphic design, social media, Facebook ads, whatever kind of agency that it is that you own, this is how to actually take advantage of DM marketing in order to get real paying clients on social media. The very first thing is that you want to make sure that you are introducing yourself to new followers. My assumption here is that you are creating content in order to attract the kind of clients that you want to work with. Make sure that for every new follower that you have, you're actually introducing yourself, talking about the services that you offer, not in a come and buy from me kind of way, but kind of a welcome to this community. If at any point that you need my help, this and this and this is how I can help you. So the focus here is on community building, is on creating connection with people rather than just expecting them to buy something from you right off the bat. They don't know who you are, and again, they don't trust you enough to be able to make that purchasing decision. Focus and think about the long term rather than just chasing away someone that just joined your community, maybe to learn from you or to find out if they can actually work with you in the future. The second thing you want to do is to make sure that you are creating stories, or even if it's just content, whatever kind of content you're putting out there, make sure there is a form of feedback. And this is why stories are so important, because when you put up stories, you have options like polls, quizzes, those different stickers that actually allow people to give you any kind of feedback. And when they do give you feedback, please make sure that you are responding to that feedback. The third thing is to prioritize conversations on a daily basis, or for as many days that you actually show up on socials. Make sure that when you show up, it's not just about creating content and pushing your stuff out there, but are you actually talking to people? If someone has sent you a DM before, if people are leaving comments, are you responding to those comments? Are you responding to those DMs? Or are you using social media just as a dumping ground to just put out your content without actually getting feedback from your community? The next strategy is to make sure that you are actually engaging with your community, both for your followers and the people that are following you. Are you engaging with the content that they are putting out there? Are you leaving meaningful comments on their posts, since you want them to leave meaningful comments on your post as well? Are you following up with their stories, looking at what they are putting out there, responding to their story? People tend to forget that community building and engagement and building up those conversations is so important when it comes to having a consistent flow of clients for your business, because again, you're an agency owner. You want to always have that consistent flow of clients. You don't want to have months where you have a lot of clients and then months where everything just kind of zeroes down. Let me know in the comments if you found these tips helpful, and let me know if you need any other help or support getting clients for your digital agency.